How to lock your profile on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Here, tap on the three dots beside Edit Profile. Then, tap on Lock Profile. This helps in making your photos and posts more private. Now, tap on Lock Your Profile below to confirm. You have now successfully locked your profile. Tap on OK. Once you lock your profile, only friends will see your past and future photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to see profile info set to public. Following these steps, you can easily lock your profile on Facebook.